am going to introduce Captain James Cook, who is known as the father of colonies. Cook was born on October 27, 1728 in England. Coming from a humble background, he received only basic education at a village school. At the age of 17, he worked at a tailor shop near the seaside. Watching fishing boats come and go every day, he began to long for a life at sea. Driven by this dream, he left the tailor shop and became an apprentice on a coal transport ship. For 10 years, Cook worked on coal transport ships, navigating through treacherous waters, long reefs, and difficult ports. During this time, he studied maps and nautical charts on board, which helped him develop into an outstanding navigator. In the early years of his maritime career, Cook received extensive training in mathematics and astronomy, as well as theoretical and technical knowledge of commercial ship navigation. His strong determination and ambition made him a formidable leader, allowing him to be promoted to lieutenant within just 2 years. His exceptional work gained the recognition of the Royal Society and the British Navy, which led them to appoint him as the leader of an expedition fleet to the Pacific Ocean. During his voyages, Cook mapped previously unknown waters, created nautical charts, and named significant locations along the coastlines he had discovered. Cook undertook 3 major voyages of exploration. The first voyage from 1768 to 1771 aimed to observe the transit of Venus across the sun. Another mission was to search for a large landmass in the southern hemisphere that could expand British territory and strengthen its power. Sailing aboard the Endeavour, a converted coal transport ship, Cook explored New Zealand and Australia. His second voyage from 1772 to 1775 took him once again to the South Pacific, passing through Tonga and Easter Island. This time, Cook ventured even farther south, reaching 71 degrees south latitude, where he encountered massive icebergs and islands covered in ice. The third voyage from 1776 to 1779, on his return journey, Captain Cook was tragically killed by native islanders in Hawaii due to a conflict, bringing his legendary life to an end. Captain James Cook was the most renowned maritime explorer, and his name remains famous to this day. Many locations in the Pacific were named after him, such as the Cook Strait in New Zealand and the Cook Islands in the South Pacific. After Cook's death, many Europeans settled in the lands he had discovered and explored. This in turn made Captain Cook truly deserving of the title Father of Colonies. Thank you, everyone.